Hi guys, this is Ms.Rose. I'm so happy to meet you again in Reading Practice Level 6. Guys, reading is very important. Why reading is very important? Because the way I read is the way I speak. The way you read is going to be the way you speak. I'm going to read it for you today, okay? You follow me reading. And after that, you record your voice. Today, the title is about Books of Space, Part 1. When you look up at the night sky, you are looking at space. Space is filled with many things, including planets, moon, stars, and other objects. A star is a ball of gas that gives off light and heat. A planet is a large object that moves around a star. A moon is an object that moves around a planet. What is our place in space? We live in a planet called Earth. Earth moves around the sun, which is a star. Many objects move around the sun, including 9 major planets. Earth is the third planet from the sun. Stars. What makes the stars shine? Stars are huge balls of gas. They produce heat and light. Most stars look like bright dots because they are so far away we cannot see their real colors. Very hot stars are blue. Medium hot stars are yellow. The coolest stars are red. The brightness of a star depends on how much light it produces. The hotter a star is, the more brightly it shines. Large stars are usually brighter than small stars. The closer a star is to Earth, the higher it appears to us. What are constellations? Have you ever seen any on the sky? Sometimes people imagine that stars are formed in the sky. Sometimes they see the shape of animals, objects, and people. Constellations is a group of stars that form these pictures. Long ago, people gave the star pictures names such as the Lion, the Scorpion, and the Southern Cross. There are 88 constellations that we can see in the entire sky. The Sun. What kind of star is the Sun? The Sun is a yellow star. The temperature of the center of the Sun is more than 13 million degrees Celsius. The Sun is much bigger than Earth. How far is the Sun? The Sun is about 150 million kilometers from Earth. If Earth were closer to the Sun, it would be too hot for us. If it were much further away, it would be too cold. The Moon. The Moon is an object that moves around Earth. Like Earth, the Moon has rock and soil. The surface of the Moon has many holes that are called craters. There are also mountains in the Moon. The temperature in some part of the Moon are hotter than boiling water, but the other part are colder than ice. People cannot live on Moon. There is no air and water. People must bring water and air from Earth. How far away is the Moon? The Moon is about 383,000 kilometers from Earth. If you could drive to the Moon, it would take months to get there. If you take a spacecraft, it would take a few days. The Moon is our closest neighbor in space. How does the Moon shine? The Moon has no light of its own. The light is coming from the Sun. The Sun shines on Moon just like it shines on Earth. People see only the part of the Moon that has the Sun's light shining on it. Why does the Moon seem to change shape? The Moon travels around the Earth As the moon moves, only the surface that is lit by the sun can be seen on Earth. This makes it look like the moon change shape. Well, I guess that's all for part 1. Will be continued for part 2. Now this is what you have to do. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.